I'm Riley Gonzalez, and we went turkey hunting, which was fun, and I killed him, which was good.
Up really early, 3 this morning. We don't normally do that, but Riley was excited, so we got in the car, got out here. It's cold, dark, but we started hearing the turkeys and got excited.
Got birds across, 150, birds that way, 150. We got a long beard up in the trees, right behind us. 40-yard stops.
I was surprised at how tense it got, at least for me, because you're sitting there and you don't know where they are. You can kind of hear what they're doing. They weren't really cooperating, I guess, kind of hanging back. So the anticipation was like really intense.
Am I gonna get it, or am I not, because it's going away?
If you can shoot him, I don't think he's getting any closer. I can't see him. Do you want me to take him out of strut? Yeah. What? Let me know when. Won't come out.
I missed it. So
I guess he shot high, and he was disappointed. I think he was all revved up to get one, and I think it took him a minute to kind of settle back down, and well, I don't think he was sure whether he was going to get another shot.
I thought I wasn't gonna get a second chance, and that I wasn't gonna get a bird because he ran away.
Bill gave us a little bit of a heads up in terms of what to expect with the blinds and how the turkeys might behave, but we hadn't done this before, and so we weren't really sure what to expect.
But then another bird came out like a horse.
He's like running. He's coming quick. Make sure you keep your cheek on the gun. Look right down the barrel. My guy.
When I saw him go past a post, I thought he was gone, but then he turned around and came down.
Good shot, bud. Good job, Riley. That's about the best of a turkey morning as you get right there. It's how they show in place.
Bill contacted trainers again and said, hey, he was looking for somebody who might be interested in going on a turkey hunt. And we asked Riley, and he said, oh yeah, totally. Got really excited. We got him through the gun safety course, and then here we are.
I thank all of you guys for letting me have the opportunity to come out here.